Hello friends, today's video is sponsored by Skintific. Charot lang, hindi. Binili ko to with my own money. I got this from Amazon, itong dalawa. This is their Perfect Stay Velvet Matte Cushion. And this is yung Brightening Lip Serum. So yeah, I'm excited to use them both. Sa natin. Ganyan. Ooh, it's so pretty. Ganda ng color. May ganyan. So, tanggalin natin. May konting ASMR moment. Oh, alright. First time ko lang gagamit ng cushion foundation kasi hindi talaga ako gumagamit. Oh, okay. So, ganun itsura niya. I bought the color Petal based from mga videos lang na napanood ko. So, let's see. Oh, pwede. Oh, wow. Cute naman ito. What do you guys think? Pwede, no? Kasi I think if I go a little darker, baka masyado namang dark. Pwede na to. This works. Ang cute. So, ito na lang dadaling ko sa trip ko. Skintific. Kasi I have this, yung Haus Labs na favorite ko. Pero grabe, ubos na siya. Like, ito lang ata ang foundation na naubos ko talaga. Like, may konting-konti. Pero hindi ko na dadalhin. I'm gonna bring this. And then, let's try this. Brightening. There you go. Ganyan siya. Ang cute. I like the applicator kasi malamig. Parang malamig siya sa sa lips. I got the color baby. Oh, pink berry. Akala ko baby pink. Pink berry. Okay, Skintific. Siyempre dala natin tong favorite ko. Bago kong favorite na blush, which is from Haus Labs. Pak, pwede na. Yun lang. That's it for today's video. I just wanted to share you my new foundation.